Hello, friends. Wishing all the women a happy International Women's Day, and today a poem dedicated to us. When she walked into the room, there was pin drop silence, and everyone stared at her and became a little nervous, as though expecting some violence. For just a few minutes ago, they had been mocking and bad mouthing her aimlessly, but they never knew she was behind the door and had heard everything said so painlessly. She stood there, very poised, with no facial expressions at all. She smiled at everyone as she passed them, with such grace and no scorn or smirk at all. She reached the end of the room and looked at each one behind, but no one could meet her stare and were afraid to meet her eyes. They were supposed to be her closest friends, but now it appeared to not be true. Their kids had all grown up together, and that's how they had met and known one another too. But people change with their insecurities and show no loyalty or moral grounds, so they had now made her the black sheep of society because she was morally and ethically bound. Women can be so callous and feel entitled of their might. They think that money, power, or their status will never harm them despite. But being vindictive or acting like chameleons can never be hidden for long. So they can appear to have many friends by their side. But true respect is earned, not just adorned. A true woman can never feel happy when she is bringing another one down. She herself has felt each emotion so deeply, then why inflict it on anyone on baseless grounds? Beauty isn't what meets the eye, but it's the character of one's innermost thoughts. And when one woman treats another woman like a lady, no society or man can degrade her or blame her for anything gone wrong. Let's respect all women in any strata of society. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.